Namaskar, I am Dr. Amit Bardwaj. I welcome you all for the Indian Meteorological Department daily weather briefing for 13th Feb. Now, as you can see, these are the past 24-hour weather observed, and only the important feature is the dense to very dense fog condition, which has been observed over Punjab and Haryana region. This is the uh, observations as you can see here. Now, if we talk about what is the minimum temperature observed in IMD observatories, it has been shown here in this graphical format. So, the minimum temperature normally over the northwest of India was observed around or less than 10 degrees Celsius in most part of the Punjab, Haryana, and northern side of the Rajasthan, MP, and Uttar Pradesh. So this is the minimum temperature. The important feature to consider the minimum temperature is the departure for considering the cold wave situation. But over those location at isolated location, you can see the patches, blue color patches. But over these locations, the minimum temperature was above 10 degrees Celsius. So no cold wave warning has been issued or observed. Now, as you can see, the maximum temperature and the maximum temperature departure. Important feature for maximum temperature departure is been considered for the cold day, and you can see over these isolated location the maximum temperature departure was less than minus 0.5 degree, but the minimum temperature was more than 10 degrees Celsius. So in that sense, these are not been considered for the cold day. And this is the observation for maximum temperature. You can see with various color range. North side of the India is mostly the plain side, Indo-Gangetic plain. Maximum temperature was in the range of 22 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. Now, if we talk about the today's highlight, mostly the today's highlights is due to the thunderstorm activity is likely to continue over east central India on 13th, and with the decreased intensity over for the second day over East India. And there is also a possibility of fresh spell of rainfall and snowfall activity which is likely to come over Western Himalayan region during 17 and 17 to 19th of February. So these are the two highlights, and I will discuss about today's synoptic condition. As you can see in this figure, there is a two cyclonic circulation. One cyclonic circulation is the lower tropospheric level, specifically 0.9 km above mean sea level, which has been observed over Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and neighborhood region at 0.9 km above mean sea level, and there is another cyclonic circulation which has been observed at 1.5 km and 3.1 km over Haryana and neighborhood regions. And there is also a western disturbance which is located at 66 degree east and 30 degree north. And these are the systems due to which there are light to moderate rainfall activity will be happening. But most important feature that is not been here is the anti-cyclone over the Bay of Bengal, which is putting a lot of moisture into the central part of India and causing the thunderstorm and lightning activity. And the 5 days forecast actually we are issuing for related with thunderstorm and lightning and hailstorm activities. As you can see here, these are the 5 days forecast for the graphical, and important is only day 1, day 2. The forecast warning has been issued. Day 3 onwards, there is no warning has been issued. Now, if you see for the day 1 today's hailstorm warning, thunderstorm, lightning, and hailstorm warning has been issued over isolated location over East Madhya Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Gangetic West Bengal for day 1. And the dense fog warning has been issued for isolated location over Odisha for day 1 and day 2. And if we come for the day 2, the thunderstorm and lightning activity at isolated places, warning has been issued for Bihar, Jharkhand, and Gangetic West Bengal and SHWB regions. So these are the warning for today, and you can actually follow us on IMD website for updated information. You can also download our IMD app to get the updated information. I thank you for today. Namaskar.